Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most easiest method of adding a document into the Mendeley software. Now, what I simply will do is that I'll go to a document or an article that I already have with me in my computer, and I'll just simply click on one of the folders where I have some of my articles. I'm just going there. Yes, this is one of the folder where I have some articles. Now I have this article here, this one, okay, and I can just simply click on it. I'll drag it, I'll bring it to the icon of Mendeley, and then I'll bring it to the main window and I'll drop it, and that's it. That's as easy it is, like click, drag and drop, and your document will be added to the document library. So this is one of the most easiest and first method of adding a document to your reference manager. Now, what else we can do is, let's say if I have this document here and I just don't want to drag and drop it. I don't want to add the whole document as a PDF to my file, and all I need to do is just get the DOI. Like, can you see the DOI here? I'll click on the DOI, I'll copy it, Control C, copy. I'll go to the Mendeley, I'll click on add here, and then I'll click on add entry manually, and within this dialog box there's a small window here, DOI. Control V and simply click on search. It will search for the records directly from the DOI website, and it will add all the basic information of this particular article, and just simply click on save. So this is method number 2, where you are adding a document using DOI. Now, there's another method that you can use to add a document to your library, and that can be done through Mendeley Web Importer. Now, you have a tool here. Click on Tool and click on Install Web Importer. So I'm going on to the Web Importer here, and it's taking me to a website which would allow me to add Web Importer to my Chrome. But because I have already installed it on my Chrome, it's just showing me remove from the Chrome. But when you would be doing it for the first time, it would show you add to the Chrome. So I'm not going to click this. You would just need to click on add to the Chrome, and an extension would be added over here. So once you have this Mendeley icon over here, the extension over here, what you need to do is go to a web page of an article, or let me show you how we go through to a web page. Now I am interested, let's say, in brand image. So I'll search on Google Scholar for brand image. And let's look at this one. And now it's giving me destination brand images. I'm interested in this article. Let's click on this. And here I am on the web page of this article. Now, when you are on the web page of the article, just click on the Chrome extension that you have here, the Mendeley. It would ask you to sign in for the first time. It's automatically signing in now. See, I was already signed in on the website, so it just got logged in. Now here it is. It's giving me this option of the same article. You can match the name here. I'll click on it, and it would show me the details that it is catching from the article. You can see it has already taken in the page number, the year, and everything, the abstract. Now all I need to do is click on Add to Mendeley, and it would be added to my Mendeley library. Now, if you're doing it through the web importer, you would need to go and refresh your desktop software. Now, here we are. Here it is. Like if you click on sync, it would just simply, sync the library that you already have. So I just added this article, remember, about the destination images, and it has updated that link over here. So this is the third method that you can use to add an article to your Mendeley library. Now there's one more method that you can use. Now let's say I'm here on the Google Scholar. I'll go back to the Google Scholar. All right, let's say I like this article and I want to go over here. I'll click on it, click on the article, and while I'm on this page, I will look for the bib file that I have here. I don't want to download the whole article. I'll just look for a place where I can see. Here we are. It's giving me an option of downloading the bibtext or RIS file that has the citation information for this article. So I'll right click on it and I'll just click on download, and it would give me an option. I'm just saving it on my desktop. So here it is. I have downloaded the citation file. I'll click on show in folder, and here it is. I'll just simply click on it, drag it, and drop it in my software manager, and this article will be added to my library. So here we are. I have shown you 4 different methods that you can use to add documents to your Mendeley library. The first one, and it's the craziest one, sometimes you really need it, like for old articles, like you would click on add manually, and when you are on add manually, you will actually add each and every field that you have here. You will add the title, you will add the author name, you will add the journal name, year, volume, issue, page. You can leave the abstract empty, that's not necessary, but these are the things that you really need to add. And if your article has a DOI, it's really a must that you add DOI over here. If it has a DOI, you can save your trouble and you can just simply add the DOI and search it the way we did it earlier. But if your article does not have a DOI, it's an old article, you would have to add manually, copy paste, or type, and then click on save, add it. So this is the 5th method of adding a document to the Mendeley. Now, there's another interesting method that you can use, like, rather than just simply adding a file, you can actually add a whole folder here. Now, I'm going to show you another method through which you can add a folder that contains all the articles that you want to add to the Mendeley. Now, click on Add button over here, drop down menu, and click on Add Folder. Now, when you are on Add Folder, you have to locate the folder where you have some of the articles. Now I have a folder in D where I have saved some of my articles. I'm going down to it. Yes, if you look at this folder, this is the one where I have saved some of my articles. Okay, so I'll just simply click on it. I have selected this folder and I'll just click on OK. Now see, all the articles that I had in my folder, they're being added here. So it's really nice, cool feature. You can go on each of the articles, check for the information. If it has a DOI, you can simply search for the DOI again, and all the information on the articles would be saved. Now, these are some of the methods that you can use to add the articles to your Mendeley library. There can be some other methods as well, but you can start with these. So this is all for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to add in-text citations onto the paragraphs or the sentences that you have in Word. So see you in the next video.